Hey everybody, Joe Casaboni here, and I thought it would be a fun thing to record me updating an automation. So I'll just go right to the screen here. And so I have an automation where when a folder is updated in Dropbox, check the name of the folder and then send an email to my editor. So just so we can give you like a concrete example here, I am creating a new episode to send to my editor. It's episode 437 with Emily Aborn. And so actually I need to fix that file name. And so I've got that. And then if we open up Notion, you can see that there is an episode 437 number here. So I walked through my Notion planner in a previous video. I will link that in the cards and in other places, but there's a couple of things that I need to change here, right? So right now this is watching for when a new folder is put into the needs editing folder. And then it is looking for, this is a regular expression. This is really technical, but this is basically a way of writing in code, look for a 3-digit number. I am going to have to update this eventually, but not for about 500 episodes. And it needs to, so it's looking for that in the name of, so what this is, let me actually back up here. What this is really looking for, it's looking for the subfolder. So it's, and then, right. Okay. So then the, right here, it's looking for a file called instructions.txt. So I'm going to have to fix this as well for a reason I'm about to tell you, but we'll leave it here for now, right? Text operation contains, actually, I can just change this to intro.mp4. Right, that's the name of that now. So the reason I'm doing this is I'm not going to have an instructions.txt file anymore. I want to send the Google Doc with all of the edit notes to my editor. So it's going to look for now a MP4 movie with the name intro, and then it's going to look for the pattern match, which is the episode number. So then we get to the email, and I'm actually going to have to move this. So I'm going to, let's see, copy this module, and then, yes, that was weird. And then paste it here. So yeah, so I want to connect those two. And then I'll delete this because now I need information from Notion to send this email. So I'll delete this module. So it's still doing the text parsing. So it's going to search database items for the episode number that we found in the name of the file here, which would be 437 for this example. And then it's going to find that object in the database and then update it. So I'm having it update that record, and I'm basically just having it update the status here. To out for edit. And then I'm going to send the email. So this is to my editor. Sorry, Joel, I'm showing your email address. I think it's public anyway. New podcast episode in Dropbox. Hey, Joel, a new episode. And then the number has been added to Dropbox. And then I'm going to include two things here. The title is, and then this is one of the reasons I wanted to rearrange it, because I can get the title from the searched episodes. The title is, and then we can place that here with, and then I can have the guest name, which I think for this example was my friend Becky. So let's see if we can grab the guest name here. And then the Google, the Google Doc with edit instructions is here. And so then I want to get the Google Doc. That is always included, and here it is right here. So we'll add that here. And then I will click OK. And now I will click save, and we've updated that automation. So maybe I'll come back here in a minute once this is actually ready to send, and hit run once and show you how it worked. Okay, I am back, and I have prepped this episode so we could see everything is in this document. There is a folder now in the needs editing folder with the numbers and the right files. So let's go back over to make. Now this runs every 2 hours, and I think it just ran recently. So I'm going to run it here. It's going to look for the files. It found one. It's searching for the objects, and it's sending the email. So now let's go to Notion, where Emily Aborn's episode should be updated. If I refresh this, out for edit. Fantastic. So now I'll go into my send folder, but I don't want to actually show, all of my emails. Okay, so now we're here. Hey Joel, a new episode has been added. So this is unformatted, which is annoying. So I'll have to add some HTML. But if I click on this, it opens the Emily document. Fantastic. Everything is working perfectly. So thanks so much for watching this video. And look, I know that there was a lot of things that we covered in here that seemed maybe a little bit scary or a little bit weird. So I want to, first of all, you can get my actual podcast planner that all of these automations are connected to over at podcastworkflows.com/planner. But if you join the mailing list, you will be the first to know about a new project I'm launching very soon that has automation templates and tutorials and a community where maybe you're building an automation and you need some help, and I'll be in that community to support you. So I'll be launching that very soon. So you can head over to podcastworkflows.com/planner, get your free planner, and be on the mailing list to know as soon as that launches. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, I'll see you out there.